Hi, this video is a tutorial on 360 video with Maya and Arnold. First, you need to remember that the set need to be complete, meaning that the room is built on 360 degrees. Second thing is that the viewer has a certain control on the camera. He can look wherever he wants by moving his head. So if you want to move the camera, pay attention to the rotation so the viewer will not be dizzy, except if it's your intention, of course. After, you need to know the difference between monoscopic and stereoscopic videos. We will both cover them in this tutorial. Therefore, you create your camera, go to the attribute editor and go down to Arnold. We will start with 360 mono video. So you go to camera type, you change that for spherical. In the render settings, you change the ratio for 4096 by 2048. 1 is the double of the second. Now, in the render view, so you take the right camera here, you activate the render, so you see that the whole room appears. You have the chair on the other side, the frame, the door, but you can see that the proportions are not exactly right. It's all a bit deformed, especially on the side. On the middle, it's okay. It's all normal. During the edit, equirectangular projection with a 360 lecture, it will all look fine. After that, you just start the render and it's as simple as any other project with Maya. The only difference is that the image resolution is bigger, so the render time is longer. Now we're going to pass to the stereoscopic videos. For that, you need another camera. Here, my camera is at the same place as the other. So in the attribute tab, you change the type of camera, this time for VR camera. You will probably want over-under, but side-by-side is also available. And make sure to select lat long. Here you have the eye separation in decimeters. On the human being, the distance between the eyes is 6.5 centimeters, which is what Maya is giving us by default. Now, for the resolution, you want a perfect square. So a 4K square that you have in the preset. Now, in the render view, take the right camera, and now you're gonna see the difference between monoscopic and stereoscopic in the render view. So the render is not finished now, but you see that we have twice the same images. A bit earlier in monoscopy we only had one image, but now we have twice the same image. But if you pay attention, you will see that it's not the same image. You see here there's a difference, not the same distance between here and here. Those differences are the result of the distance between the eyes. Because when you put the VR goggle, when you see those two images with the VR set helmet, you see everything in 3D, 360 degrees and 3D dimension. So that's why you see the distance between the objects, like normal human vision. After that, you just start the render like normal, but now with that resolution of 4K, it will take even more time than the mono video. And also your images are gonna be even bigger than with the mono video, but the render process is exactly the same.